Oh, she's muddy still. Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome back. Welcome to our latest homestead update. So we still don't know if we are going to stay in this home, but so we're making it our own in the meantime. So today we are going to pour two different patios. The first one is going to be a hot tub pad, which is what they're working on right here. And then the second one is going to be down, and it's going to be a little patio on the basement doors. So just a quick update, and definitely stay tuned. I'll give you a sneak peek of the hot tub project, which we just completed today. But today we're going to pour the concrete and make another chest move in life. So hope you enjoy the scenery and have a great weekend. Happy Friday to everyone. Thanks a lot. Hope to see you again on a future project. Oh, she's muddy still. She's muddy. Sam was telling me they poured it a little bit dry because there's more possible big rainstorms.
The concrete cold and hard. Yeah, the world just hit me with no regard. Scraped my knees and bruised my soul. Lost a little bit of my control. But you can't keep me on the ground. Listen close, you'll hear the sound. I get knocked down, but I get up again. Stronger now than I have ever been. Of the doubt they threw, telling me I'd never make it through. Every whisper, every lie, just the fuel to reach the sky. I get knocked down, but I get up again. Stronger now than I have ever been. This fire in me will never die.
All right, here's the after look. Wow, it looks nice. Very nice. Let's go down and take a look at the other one. Look at this muddy mess here, though. Let's go check out the other one down here. Big progress today on the farm. This spring, I'll put this on my hit list to get all this cleaned up. We got the septic. It's been settling now over the winter. Shout out to my buddy Justin, who referred me to Sam, the concrete guy. This is really nice. These gutters were all leaking, so we had them cleaned and retweaked, so they're in much better shape. But this is just nice back here. You know, if you did want to sit here, you got a nice view of the ravine. That turned out really nice also. Superb.